Hi, I'm Dr. Caplan from Helios Telemedicine for Longevity. Millions of men are on testosterone, and many could be treated through other means, avoiding some of testosterone's side effects. From prior videos, you know that the hypothalamus senses T levels and stimulates the pituitary gland to release LH and FSH in the blood. LH stimulates the testes to make testosterone, while FSH stimulates them to make sperm. Testosterone therapy suppresses this circuit, reducing testosterone and sperm production. There are alternatives to TRT if the low T symptoms are coming from problems with the hypothalamus or pituitary gland, or if the testes just need a little more push from them. I've already discussed boosters and supplements for raising T levels on prior videos. Today, I want to talk about medical options. These stimulate the control circuit at different places, and each results in increased testosterone production and preserved sperm counts. Anastrozole blocks conversion of testosterone to estrogen. With lower E levels, the hypothalamus stimulates the entire pathway. It is oral and inexpensive. Clomiphene or N-clomiphene block estrogen receptors in the hypothalamus, also stimulating the entire pathway. This is also an oral therapy and relatively inexpensive. Human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, mimics LH and stimulates the testes directly. It is an injection below the skin and is cost moderate. These medications can all be used independently or can be used together. There are synthetic versions of LH which stimulate the testes directly. They are injectable and are expensive. There are also GnRH agonists that stimulate the pituitary gland, bypassing the hypothalamus, and result in increased release of LH and FSH. These are also injectable and are expensive. Click the Schedule an Appointment button at www.heliostelemedicine.com if you want to talk about testosterone therapy or its alternatives. I can see anyone from anywhere for an informal conversation and can diagnose and treat patients in my licensed states of Texas, New York, Florida, and Missouri. My initial appointment is $49 and follow-up visits are $99. Thanks for your time and attention. Bye for now.